What's happening, y'all? We're in Princeton, Texas. You know what time it is. Just showing off this little install we did. I should say pretty big install, actually. It's over 1,000 square feet of turf. But we got pavers right there, just 3 going over to our nice living space with the pergola. I mean, this yard had so many cracks in it you would not believe. And that's not hating on their yard. It's just, you know, the way it is with heat in Texas. It opens up the ground. Saw that little trampoline there. I think I've seen that on Walmart on sale. But we have the border of rocks here on the side. The fireplace came out beautiful for those chairs. And, you know, they're going to be able to enjoy that in fall and in winter coming up. So, and what's nice about this is, you know, most of the time when it rains and your backyard gets muddy, you can't go out there for who knows how many days. With turf, I'm telling you, it just gets damp. There she is waving. Hello there. It just, you know, it gets damp and you can go back out there a lot quicker than you can with grass and mud. This is pet turf, by the way. They do have a dog, it's not out, but we have pet turf. It's a little bit more durable. And of course, we direct your drainage. We move all your stuff too. So, but give us comments, give us some love and likes, and let us know if you need turf.